What's going on, guys? This is Kyle from Guidewise. In this video, I will show you how to create a workflow in GoHighLevel. In the left column, scroll down to automation, then select create workflow. You can choose to start from scratch, a template, or company-based workflow. So we are going to start from scratch. First, you need to give your workflow a name. Towards the top of your screen, you will see a pen or pencil. Edit that and give your workflow a name. Then hit enter. We can add triggers like form submitted, then select save trigger. Now we can add actions like send an email or an SMS. So below your form submitted, click the plus sign and then type in email. Then look for send email. We can then give this action a name. We will just keep it as email from whoever it's from, the email it's from. You can then CC or BCC anyone, add a subject, and then type in your email. So now we have our trigger followed by an action. So once your steps are all connected, you can then hit publish in the top right corner and then save. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to Guidewise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.